Do you know you can start creating amazing videos without showing your face or using your voice? All you need is Chatgpt, text to speech, Hydra AI that will convert your image and audio to live videos. And all you need is also simple steps with small edits. So follow me, let me show you how you can do this. All you need first is to go to Chatgpt and get your image prompt. I will be dropping the image prompt on the description of this video. So let me show you how to get an image prompt for that. So we'll be using this image prompt. A realistic photo of a 5 years old boy kneeling in prayers, wearing a black suit and black tie, facing forward with eyes closed today and closed altar. Sincere prayer, source and sentence, sincere prayer, lightning shine on his face. Emotional and cinematic lighting, high quality and professional photographic style. So we'll be using this image prompt. Once you send using this one, you hold on first. So once you send it, the image prompt I will provide this in the description of the video. You send it. So getting started, you just hold on a little moment so that they will generate it for you. So now you can see here the image has been generated. So let us save it. We save the image. So what we tell ChatGPT now is to give us a powerful motivational speech that can go viral on YouTube Shorts. So let's type it. Give me a powerful motivational speech that I can use for my short videos and it will go viral. So once you send it, you hold on. Now ChatGPT have generated a powerful short script. So now you copy the script. Hold on. Now if you want to make a long video, you can go with all these scripts. See the script is so long, you can go with this. But what if you need a short one, because it's short that we want to create on this one now. So on the next video I'll be dropping another style that you can use also. So let's continue. What we do now is tell ChatGPT generate it in a short style. So you send it. So you can say absolutely here is a short viral style version, perfectly for 15 to 30 second video, TikTok or Reel. So now you can see short powerful motivational speech. Wake up. Like this wake up now, you use it as your title. ChatGPT have even given you the script and also give you pro tips. It's also giving you pro tips. Like it's giving you a powerful title that you can use. So what you do now is to copy it. Select text. You copy it from here. You copy. So now the text to speech we are going to be using on this video is called text to speech audio effects. So to get this text to speech audio effect, I know it is free. What you will do is to go to Chrome. You go to Chrome, you search APK. So this first one, you click on it. After you have clicked on it, you can see it here. Use APK app. So you click on download. Once you click on download, let me click on download. It will bring out this interface. Once you bring out this interface, what you only need to download this is just 24 MB. That's 24 MB. Let's say approximately 25 MB, 24.6. So you click on download here. Once you click on download, it will bring out this ads. You close. So it will show 5 rounds being harmful. So do not. So what you just click on is download anywhere. Click on download anywhere. Already I've downloaded it. That's why I will not click on download everywhere. Once you have downloaded it already, you click on these 3 dots now. Click on download. And you will see it here. And it will come out here. Once it's come out, what you will now do is to go head over to, you install it, you click on it and install it. Once you have installed it, all you will do is go to the apps. You see it here, APK Pure. You click on it. You skip. Click on skip. So hold on. Normally it's actually pop up some ads. So what we now do is head over to this place and search voice changer audio effects. Click on search. Know that it will bring that mini voice changer here, but the one we are going to use is, because of that little boy, that 5 years old boy, we are going to use this one, this particular one. You click on it. Once you click on it, if you have not downloaded it already, it will show install. But me, I have downloaded it already, so that's why it's not showing anything here. It only shows open at this place. So I will click on open. So it will just load. Once it's load, any language you want to use. So we are going to, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using English. You click on English, and you see next at the top this side. Click on it. You skip. If you skip once, you see get started. You click on the small get started at this time. So here you click on text to audio. Once you click on text to audio, this thing you have copied already. The prompt, that script you have copied for your voice. So you just paste it here. Paste it here. Once you have pasted it, you go back. Click on next. You click on next. So it will just be loading. It's loading. Boom, here it's uploaded. So as you can see, you can select child. Select this one. The one that I love mostly is this child. You click on child. If you are using a gear, like if the one you want to be using is a gear, so you can click on this gear here. So you can add it. So you click on gear. Let me show you the voice.
You've been doubted. You've been counted out. But guess what? You don't need their approval.
So you click on anyone you want to use. You select the pitch. Once you have selected it, you click on save. You click on save. So once you have saved it, what you now need, you are getting your image and you have also getting your voice. You now head over to Chrome. You now go to Chrome or any browser you are using. Even though you are using iPhone now, you can use Safari. You can use any browser. If it's Firefox, Edge browser, any browser at all. So you now search Hydra AI. Hydra AI. Hydra AI sign up. So it can direct us. Hydra AI sign up. Click on search. So now you just click on this first one. This is the Hydra AI you're going to be using. Click on this one. Click on it. Now what you do is to create an account with them. Click on videos. Now let's create an account with them. Okay, already here now is that, let me show you something. I have already created an account. Let me log out from this one. Let me sign out. So let me sign out from this one and create a new one. Let me sign out. Just click on here, click on sign out. So you go ahead and click on videos. Now, once you have signed in with them, you just create accounts, normal creating account you use to sign in with any platform. So once you are done, now what you will do is this place. You now click on the character. You select add character. You click on upload. Look at that boy. So you click on it. Click on done. Once you click on done, next here you select the aspect ratio. So you click on here. The aspect ratio should be 9.16. So you click on 9.16. What you now do is to click on to add that voice, to add the voiceover, add speech, upload. So you can media picker, go to this week. So you see it's a child voice, click on it. It's have been added. So you go ahead and click on the add character, upload. So you click on this one, you click on done. Click on I consent. So G Suite. So you click on it again. Done. So you click on it again. Done. Click on it. Click on it. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, remember to subscribe, like the video and share it to others that you need. Remember to subscribe. Then you want to start YouTube automation, so just share it to them. So now you go ahead. As you have shown here, what you now do is to describe how you want your video to be. Say make the boy speak frequently. This please. So you go ahead and send it. So just hold on, please. Within a while, it will generate your video for you. So it's loading 4%. So just hold on. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel and like the video so that it will reach to others that need to create YouTube automations. So some people, this is the best way because everything I'm using here is free. You don't need to pay for anything or you don't need to pay for any subscription. And this Hydra AI, it will be giving you 300 credits. 300 credits. So you want that 300 credits? I will show you later. What you do is you go to. I will show you later. What you do is you go to template emails. You search template email or you create another Gmail account. You're using it to create another Gmail account. So that's how you'll be doing it. Before that 300 credits finish, it will be up to 4 videos. So you have achieved 4 videos. This will not even take. It will just take you like 4 to 5 days. Your videos will start pushing. Your video highest 4 to 5 days. Your video will start pushing. To be pushing. So that's how you'll be doing it. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it to others that need it. Any place that was hard for you, any place that you don't understand very well, you can drop it on the comment section. Just ask your question, and any video that you want me to do again, I will do it for you. So just be any video, just comment any video that you have been struggling with. Share it here. Share the next thing you want me to teach you. So there's no problem with that. So done. It has reading to 60. So now you can see it here. The video have already been generated. Let's click on download here. See, the thing here is that if you are using the free plan, the thing will have watermark. But I'm going to show you how you can remove the watermark. So I will be showing you this. Or you click on download. Let's first download it. So you can see here, downloading files. So you can see here. So you click on this place, details. As you can see here, it is loading. So just it's moving very well. All we do need now is to remove the watermark. So let's go to any editing app you have. If you are using Canva, to edit, you are using InShot, you are using VN editor, you are using CapCut. But let's go to CapCut here. Let me use CapCut. Click on CapCut. Click on new project. So once you click on new project, it will load. Look at the 17-minute videos here. So you click on it. Click on add. Click on add. So if you are watching this video to the end at this point now, I want to give you a pro tip. I want to give you something here. Know that if you want to get more subscribers earlier, you will put subscribe now on this video. When you are editing, when you want to remove this Hydra AI, Hydra logo here, the watermark. So you put subscribe so that anybody that watch the video to that end will subscribe it. So because as you're listening this small boy, it's to make the thing to feel more emotional. So anybody that is watching it will like to subscribe because you are passing a good motivation to them. So they will connect their souls, they will connect their spirit. YouTube will push it to those people that need it more, those people that is depressed or the people that are searching more about motivation. So what you do now is go ahead and click on the clip here. You zoom it. So let's zoom it. Okay, click on the clip. You go to aspect ratio and turn it to 19.6, which is this. You click on OK. So you now zoom it. So now as you can see, the watermark have been removed. All you now do is to click on. Okay, let's add that this thing I told you earlier. So go to going to be using this one. This subscribe now. So it will load. It has successfully load. So all we need to do now is to zoom it. Zoom it here. Zoom it here. So you need to is drag it at the top. You drag it. You zoom it. You zoom it very well. So adjust it. Now yeah. Put it. Adjust it to the end. Yeah. Adjust it. Alright. You remove this CapCut ending. So you remove the ending. We now go ahead and click on export. So you click on export. Alright, here now the video have exported, or you click on done. If you go to YouTube, you go ahead and upload your videos. So that's all you need to do on this video.
You've been doubted. You've been counted out. But guess what? You don't need their approval. You need your grind. Every second you waste doubting yourself, someone else is out there chasing your dream. So wake up, lock in, and prove to the world you were built for this. Biceps fire.
Thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe, and share to others.